Eat another piece.
Damn it. Wait. So nasty.
Look at his face.
Are you taking a video?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
No, you're not. Is that bad?
It's not too bad.
Why do you have to make that face then?
I don't know, just how it feels. On my tongue, it's like...
One more piece. And you get the roll.
What?
Come on, Kev, you can do it.
Do
You
it.
said it wasn't that bad.
Oh my god.
Nuh-uh, seriously?
I almost did.
No way.
No. Are you serious?
What are you doing? He really eats broccoli. This is really good.
Oh my god.
Give me the roll.
Megan!
See, you took a really long time.
Megan, you didn't eat that. Meg! That's not funny.
Mmm.
That is not funny.
Mm.
Meg. That is not funny.
Yes, it is. Sorry,
Here,
Kev.
Mom, I don't even care.
No, you earned this.
No, I really don't even want it.
You don't?
No.
It's my only goal.
Good job.
Megan, that wasn't nice. Really.